Hello, today we're going to talk about the customers, the people we record in the DGM Property and Asset Management system. So a customer or a person may be an owner, property owner. It might be a landlord, a tenant who's renting a property, a buyer who's looking to buy a property, and developers who develop properties. So today I'm going to show you how to add a customer to the system. So you can add any one of these types of customers. Top right, the various options are there to add the individual customers. Today we're going to add a rental applicant. So when you click on the button, the first thing you'll see top right is all the available customers. So for example, somebody who's looking to rent a property may also be a landlord. So you can have more than one options. But for the purpose of today, we're just going to add a tenant. So the tabs at the top of the screen will show you exactly where we are every step of the way. So we're going to add a new tenant. We're going to add George Russell. Add the contact details, add an email address. You can add up to 2 contact numbers, a mobile number, so we can, if needed, send SMSs, send texts. You may want to record details of the customer, the tenant, where he works, where he or she works, what do they do? Do they live in the country? Are they an expat, for example? You might also want to keep track of age demographics. So once you have that information, you can then save and move on to the next tab where you can record the address details. Save that information. And the details tab is where you record the details of the person. So as you can see, the system has set the client is an active tenant and what type of property are they looking for. So I'm going to set up that George is looking for a residential apartment in Airport Residential. He's looking for a minimum of 2 bedrooms. Again, you can add his profession, his income, but the important fields are his budget. What is he looking to pay? So add his budget here. And the system allows you to record multiple currencies. So for the purpose of this demo, we're going to select a budget of between $1,000 to $2,000 US a month. And then in the notes field, any pertinent notes that relate to George. So George travels extensively. So please email. So once we've recorded the details of the customer, of the prospective tenant, we can then save that and move on to the next screen, which is bank details. Again, not required, but you may want to record the details here in the system. And finally, just some marketing profiling information, which will allow you to track the status of the customer. Is he a current tenant? Is he a new tenant? All the drop downs are customizable by you, so you can make them more relevant to what you do. And finally, how did he find you? So again, relating to marketing, record the information and save it. And then what happens is the new tenant has been added to the system on what we call the customer list screen, along with all the other tenants, vendors, buyers, and landlords. So I'll end up here today, and in the next video, we'll show you how we can link properties to customers and create the workflows you require to do the work that you do. Thank you.